So you just clicked over from the LinkedIn article and you land here. You click to expand. This is the prompt that you need to copy. Simply click here. Now it's copied. As in LinkedIn article, then you would click into your Likely.AI refresh engine ChatGPT integration. Click on new chat and paste that prompt by right there. And the only thing you need to update is the subject. So I'm going to use this most expensive mansion on the planet and then hit submit. What it's doing right now is it's generating optimized MidJourney image prompts that we will then copy and paste directly into MidJourney to create stunning visuals. Should take about a couple seconds, maybe a minute. There we go. So just for example, we'll take the first one. You want to copy the whole piece starting with the backslash. That right there is a MidJourney prompt. I'm going to hit Command C on my keyboard. And you can copy each one of these as a different prompt, image prompt. Come over here. This is MidJourney. And the way I formatted it is you don't have to do anything besides just paste it in right there and then hit return or enter on your keyboard and it will start creating. And that's it. This is one I created a little earlier this morning. That was the first one that came off the last run through I did for this video. But you can see that this one's already starting to generate. So it's going to be moonlit, star-filled. So it's going to be a nighttime shot, wide angle. It's going to look pretty nice. And here it comes. There you go. And that's it.